Hello, everybody. Today we're working on the paper trading competition as well as our MC server, which we've added a bunch of plugins. I just added one that supposedly people will be able to create their own plugins within the game. Obviously, that's a little ripe for abuse in its current iteration, so people could probably mess things up. But it's limited to a few set of commands. So in other words, the plugins they create can't do anything. So it's like you could do things like on a certain type of trigger, maybe you break something, or maybe you left a certain area, then it will maybe spawn something else, right? Like these are the kinds of plugins you could create. But I'm also going to work on the paper trading competition, which hopefully I'll get that up today. It's kind of the plan. Let me connect the chat. Let's see, one moment here. Go. Hey, just 4. No worries. What time is it where you are? I need to restart a process here. Nice. Hey, Hikmet, how's it going? Hey, WD. Cool. That should work. Interesting. Getting a strange error I haven't seen before. I'm probably gonna also, for this competition here, I'm gonna try to make my own bot. That's probably what I'll work on today as well. I get you. So I'm probably going to run one more test, like a stress test thing. It is a little suspicious that these haven't moved at all. I guess they don't use, okay, gotcha. They're just moving in dollars because it's a very small position. Gotcha. Got the styling of your CLI. Nice. What are you working on? Cool. I also started streaming on Twitch again, so it'll be interesting. Hey Vikram, how's it going? Go. I think it should work now, the chat. Great. Cool. Extra sleep deprived. No, I'm chilling. It's bright little lighting. Cool. Let me restart this. Oh yeah, and the new IP, guys, is this. There's one bug I want to fix. So the world did reset. We're probably not going to give admin to everyone that joins this time. It wasn't fine before, but I think there'll just be a few people. The reason is I don't really like it when lava just covers everything. Let me think. What's next? Need to. Oh. Actually, gonna open 5.4 for this. To see if it's production ready. Yeah, dude, my sleep schedule is all over the place. How's it going, Gary? try to fix this weird display thing. For me, it's 4:30. I don't really like melatonin. I think I only use it when I'm like trying to get over jet lag. The reason I don't like it is like, well, I guess I don't have an issue with it. It's just that when you buy the dosages, they're like way too high. Like they give you like 10 milligrams. Like, holy shit. I guess you can just find the right, but usually they're like way higher than like the normal person needs to go to sleep. So you just get totally knocked out. It's good and bad. They probably figure the type of person who's taking melatonin, they really need to sleep like right now. So I get it. It's no joke. Yeah, that too. All right. I don't know about you guys, but Cloud Code has been lying a lot to me recently. Just lying about random stuff. So, much more cautious. Oh yeah, I have an example. Like, I actually made a directory. It's called Cloud Code Lying. And I just store it there. I'll just ask it, pull it up. Pull up Cloud Code Lying. Example. Yeah. I don't really trust this change. I think it's just found some random thing that is not the issue. Yeah. Oh yeah, so it just like I thought that there was a built-in OBS multi-output. Like it just told me that. Like already there. I was like, really? It's just an example, but that's what it does. It just straight up lies sometimes. That's just how it is. I think it's just how they all are, actually. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this over here. it wasn't too frustrating because this is a small thing, but I'm just gonna, the reason I'm making these examples is exactly like so I can answer if someone asks what I'm talking about. Actually. Yeah. Yeah, I can keep track of like, that's how we can keep track of whether it's degrading or not. So many times like I can add to this folder or something. I mean, it always has to some extent, but it's just unpredictable. When is it going to lie? I mean, this was the first it wasn't on like, there was a lot of context or anything. It's like my first prompts was like, how do I set up multi-streaming? Where I just want to stream from my computer directly. So not restream or anything. And that's what it told me. It's like, that's strange. So it's not like it wasted a lot of time, but still a little puzzling. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm using to Blue Cactus. So now I'm streaming on Twitch as well. Yeah, right. Like that's why I was skeptical at first, because I was like, well, I'm pretty sure unless it's like really new that isn't a thing. Hey, Kana. Yeah, I was using Restream before, but I do not recommend it. Adds a lot of extra latency, and also it was like killing my streams. Like, I don't know why. Like it would just randomly kill the connection. I still don't. It's probably I don't know, maybe it's like the amount of streaming I was doing. It's too much, I'm not really sure. Oh, interesting, Blue Cactus. I told you that too. I must have trained on some false Reddit answer or something. Blue Cactus, do you stream too? So I'm currently trying to figure out the cause of this. I'm a little skeptical of the solution that it came up with here, and the reason I'm skeptical is the trading engine should be limited to 40 pools anyway, so we shouldn't even be close to the 50. So there's some sort of weird thing going on. Yeah, exactly. A Blue Cactus. As long as you have enough for your like your ISP is not going to limit you. I think I'm probably good. Yeah, especially if I'm not doing the 10-hour, like 8-10-hour streams every single day. Then I'm fine, bandwidth wise. Did you decrease time to code? Hey Bob, I don't know. You know, for me, this is working. I'm using it, so by default it's on medium. Why don't I? I guess this particular task is not incredibly difficult, I guess. Even if it was, I don't know. I feel like the limit here is not intelligence, like what I'm doing. Limit here is mostly on me, just deciding what I'm gonna do next. So at the moment. Also, it's slower, so that's another thing. I have the $20 plan for OpenCode. I never played that. I'm gonna close this. Is that the game where it's like co-op? I feel like this is a good one to play with. Maybe co-op, like couch co-op. Do they have that? Split screen or something? Yeah, so Bob, the $20 plan is really, I think it's really good value. I use it. Obviously, if I used it, like I only used it, I didn't use Cloud Code, I would hit the limit probably within some days. But because I kind of use it off and on, it works great. Yeah, I should play it. I'm down to play more games for sure. Maybe off and on. Cloud Code has the rights. I don't know. I don't really need it, honestly. Especially like if the 1 million is going to be worse performance. I probably, at this point we know what we've known for a long time. Adding more and more context will be worse performance. So. Okay. Just keep it low. And then reset it when I'm done with that task. I agree, that'd be fun. Yeah, I think I'll definitely put like Minecraft in here, like in this panel. Yeah, like you can tell when you get to 70% context, it's like just doing a bunch of stupid things. Hey, cool, man. Yeah, we just started working on it. Feel free to join, guys, if you want. But it's very basic. We're just adding more and more plugins. So we're creating plugins. It's much faster these days, right? Like, I started making plugins. And I remember how long it was taking me back then. So it's kind of fun. To just generate a bunch. So like the last plugin we generated was it's going to allow people to generate their own plugins, which actually I'm going to in the game, and it loads it in. So I haven't tested it yet though, because it finished at the end of last stream. So I'm gonna try not to die, and then I'm gonna run the commands. All right, this is ridiculous. God damn it. All right. Oh, shit. Okay, anyways. What's the commands? So we added a new plugin for the server for generating plugins. Hey, Cherry. Yeah, I think it is. Although it might have bugs. The most recent one. We made a few plugins. We also made like a racing one. Oh, right. The Smash Bros was what we made last. I'll show that one. I need to make myself admin though. Smash Bros is not an original idea. I've seen it on another server a long time ago. But we kind of made our own version. I'll do that over here. So yeah, I deployed it on Hetzner. I was originally going to do Oracle Cloud because if you can get it's an interesting thing they're doing. You can get a free instance, and once you have it, you have it. Like It's really weird to me, but it's hard to get. So you have to like be trying for days, like running a scripts, and then you will potentially get a free instance. It's like a 4 gigabyte, or no, 8 gigabyte RAM, 4 CPU, 120 gigs. I don't understand this. This is, yeah. I guess it's some sort of thing. Try to get people to use Oracle Cloud. But you'd think they would invest in like the UI and stuff because it's very annoying to use. Anyways. So I was doing that for a while and I was like, all right, screw this. I'm just gonna do FatString. So I'm not gonna have a long running script for days. I mean, maybe I could, I guess. But whether I would get it. Yeah, write it in Java. I was originally going to do like a Rust server, but you have to do a lot of work. Like, and it won't. You basically have to re-implement Minecraft. Like, it's just does not have a lot of things. Like, it doesn't even have doesn't have redstone. Doesn't have like a ton of blocks. The current implementation. That would be a cool project though, but not at the moment. Maybe later. It would take a long time. I don't really know. See how it goes. Probably the normal, kind of like 3-4 hours maybe. I'm gonna remove that. Oh, cool, man. Peace. Yeah, they just drop. Okay. Oh, let's fix that too. That's a simple fix. Okay, yeah, this still shows 0 because of this problem. No. I'm gonna finish this first so I can read it better. It's kind of open code is kind of hard to read when it's condensed. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Why does it seem like Cloud Code has so much more space? I guess it's just like there's just a lot of. Yeah, this top bar, I guess. The text input also. Eh. Weird. Yeah. So like this particular change doesn't make any sense. All right, so whatever you changed here, please undo that. It doesn't make any sense because this is a problem with. Oh, okay, good. It didn't change anything. Oh, here's the commands that we're going to test. Interesting. Okay, we'll try the example. I think I need to be made an admin. Hey, programming. Enjoy your... Pretty good for yourself. I gotcha. Yeah, just make a script. Hmm. Basically, we're going to analyze. It's possible we have some legacy code here. Yeah, we have to remove some stuff. Hey, cool. That's great. Yeah, in a way, this kind of is like a game sometimes. It's kind of fun. Feels a little more productive than a game, though, I'd say. At least you're, like, making something. Maybe some tool or something. What are you working on? Nice. Yeah, it's a good area. I think like a lot of people worry about, for example, like GoDaddy and some of these other they have like their own website creators, like investors worry about these companies because of all these new tools that you could use to build a website. So I think that definitely people are looking for that kind of thing. Nice. Wix is another one that investors kind of worry about. Yes. Okay, cool. So I have to restart the server. Okay, cool. So that works. Now I'm going to try the example that I gave. Okay. Let's see if we can find the error. Oh, nice. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's bad. Hey man, I use 5.4. I use the OpenAI $20 subscription, and I use the cloud code. I switched to the $100 one. So I kind of just go back and forth. Right now I prefer 5.4, honestly, for most things. But sometimes it's also has its problems. I think I haven't used 5.4 long enough to see like exactly what it's not good at, but it's usually doing a good job. Hey Sata. Yeah. Yeah, like this is an example, right, where like cloud code just like totally froze for 13 minutes. This is not like a crazy problem. Like it's just a display issue with the characters. And it's just like eating tokens. Not really a fan of this. It's not that many tokens, but this is not like a crazy problem. Like it's I think there's some like refresh. We have like a refresh thing going on. Like the refresh loop needs to be less delay. Something like this. Nice, Victor. Where are you going? Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna throw it into OpenCode because this is just kind of ridiculous. Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're fixing this problem. Oh, 1 second. There we go. All right, I'm gonna just close this here. Great. Now I can work on this because I can read. Ah. Yeah, definitely. As soon as you tell it the other model has failed, I feel like it does better. I still have the Cloud Code subscription. I just like it sometimes when I just talking about stuff. Like when I'm just like about anything. I like talking with Opus better, like in planning, this kind of thing. But I like 5.4 for coding generally. So whenever I'm like, it just does. I think it does a really good job. But I switched back to like Cloud for like running, like going and running a bunch of scripts and doing these things, creating scripts, like tiny scripts. See, I can close this guy. I have too many open over here. Let me close some stuff. Okay, great. Yeah, that's true off grid. Like if I was going really hardcore with 5.4, which I probably will at the moment, you can burn through it quick. So I'm gonna see what the problem was here. That was raging. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I used to use Sonnet like for the Tidefall game. That I used Sonnet for that a year ago, so it's definitely pretty good. You can do most things. Okay, I wanted to know what was the problem. I'm drinking a Diet Pepsi. Hey, cool, Victor. I haven't seen this. I should check it out. That would be helpful. Okay, worth a shot. I will close it though for now. So the requirement here is that it cannot use more than 20 pools. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, sometimes I miss chats. Let me look it up. Actually, I can just ask here. Is there a Google Cloud March promotion? If you guys join, you guys can try the Smash Bros. Oh, I got disconnected. Why? Smash Bros. Game. Strange. Okay, let's see what's going on. Hey, Beetle. No, I'm chilling. I'm not very tired. I'm just working over here at the moment. Stole the arch. I gotcha. Don't mind that guy. He's always just coming here to troll. He's trying to start drama. I actually didn't delete it. It was the bot. Somehow the bot recognized his trolliness. I'm pretty relaxed. Yeah, I'm chilling. All right, let's see. Oh, cool. It's $300. Oh, shit. Is it really that easy? Damn, bro. I figured it'd at least be like an application. Well, I recommend anyone watching. That sounds pretty legit. But I'm going to try it first, so I'll let you guys know if it works. Yeah. Same here, dude. Pretty nostalgic. Please don't make up stuff. Yeah, definitely. How come I can't do tab? Oh, what the hell? All right. That's probably what it is. It's recognizing I've already signed into an account. Oh no, I definitely didn't do it on this account. So you guys can maybe test this for me. Can you guys get free stuff? Go to this URL. Yeah, I say cloud. Yeah, cloud March promotion. I wish. Excuse me. I had to work over here for a moment. Because I'm trying to, well, I'm gonna also work on the fact that I keep getting disconnected from the server. Actually, I'll do it over here too. Oh shit, nice. Oh, is the chat now on the screen? Fix it for you guys. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, as well. Continue. Cool. We're gonna commit now. Okay. I don't know. I was gonna make a house, but not yet. I want to fix because I'm gonna get disconnected shortly, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh no, that was this restarted, actually. I think that's what kicked me out. Hey, TJ. Hey, Jerry. Yeah, I'm working on a few things, but yeah. This is the server, if you'd like to join. If you want to play Smash or something. I think it's... Oh, whoops. I got distracted. I was typing. That would be a good domain, though. Yeah, that's the IP. It's now it's like deployed and stuff now, so it should have less problems. How do I make stuff? Dude, I don't remember anything. There we go. Oh, is that what? Oh, that's world edit, right? So does that mean I can't use an X? Okay. Nice beat. Okay, I'm gonna check if that fixed. The pooling problem. So I could maybe... Oh, production is working. Oh, thank you, Cherry. I was talking to you, so. I ask questions like, is it more delayed than it used to be? Like the chat. Because I started streaming to Twitch again, so I don't know if it's causing a delay. It's probably not like a great idea. Anyways, you should be able to join now. Oh, it's more delayed than it was. Interesting. Yeah. How much more would you say? Maybe an extra second or two. Oh yeah, I think I just reloaded it. Yay. Cool, so you're able to join. That is good. Hello. Interesting. Dude, if that's the case, I'm actually gonna fix this. Because actually let me give this a little test. Oh, it isn't Beetle. That's good. I use a electric Y. Did I do a bad job or something? I'm working on this. Actually, let's test it out. So, Vibe creates fireworks when I walk. Asking AI. Interesting. This could crash the server. We will see. Oh, 10 seconds. Yeah, that's not that good, actually. You see any fireworks? So you can like create plugins to do things, but I don't see any fireworks. Yeah, maybe it didn't work. Vibe creates. Yeah, that's very true. But I think I will run a little test. Okay, so I think that just crashed the server. Yeah, I think that I'm not surprised. I wonder what that plugin did. Yeah, I made a plugin where I just said explosions. So who knows what it did? I think it's restarting. Okay. Type explode in chat. Yes. That was my name from like 13 years ago or whatever. So I just keep it the same. Yeah. Okay, so I don't think. Hey, Shanky. It's a thing you can like compete, create a paper. You can create a bot to paper trade, and if you win at the end, you will win a prize. And this is how you create the bot. You got all the plug it into your cloud code or whatever, and it can register, get the API key, everything you need. Right here, but I'm oh, that's I'm not on the. It's Prisma Market, Prisma.market, and I'm currently getting rid of all of these bots because this is when I was testing. There's going to be probably some bugs, but there's going to be like a grace period of like 10 days, where it's just for testing. It's not started yet. Testing for you guys, but also me, because I will see like what the bugs are, what the problems. Yeah, exactly. This document has this API docs page has everything Cloud Code needs to start building a bot. So you just give it your ideas, and it will be able to do everything. Make the trades. It's got all the information. Oh, Ashanki, go to /app. Yeah, that's the landing page. I just skipped the landing page. That's Prisma Markets, Prisma.markets. And then you go to the enter now. Yeah. I'm certain there's going to be some bugs. Yeah, so you can paper trade stocks, you can paper trade crypto, you can paper trade forex. Those are the three things that you can do. You can't short, but I think I'm going to add that. Yeah, currently you can't short, but you can buy those things. There's no options. It's actually kind of expensive to get options data. But yeah, and you have, I think we have no leverage right now, but I'll probably add 100%. Yes. I kind of want to add options too. I mean, maybe we can look into it. In theory, how can we? It's not so easy. Yeah, you can buy ETFs that represent the bonds, which is fairly close. But now that you mention that, I don't think we forgot to include dividends as part of the user performance, I'm pretty sure. Which is pretty important. So I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, piece of paper. Yeah. So I don't think EODHD tracks the bonds. So I don't think I can get you can get the actual bond. But you could get kind of like a proxy to the ETFs and stuff. It's pretty close to the same performance. Right. Yeah. Hey, thanks, Packets. Cool. So there's a few different things that we wanted to do. Okay. The first we forgot for the trading competition, but I'm going to use GPT 5.4 for this, I think. We forgot to include cool. And I'm gonna modify some of the rules because I forgot to include a few things. Also, I'm going to change the date here. This should be today. Remove this as well. That's fine, actually. Hey, sure, Cherry. Hey, Packet, if you're still here, can you let me know if is there more delay on the chat than usual? If you notice, like via the stream to the YouTube chat to the stream. Oh shit! I'll take all your stuff. And I will also avenge you. Okay, okay. I am going to fix it now. By no longer streaming to Twitch. It is not worth it to me. Okay, cool. So is it better now? Because I just stopped streaming to Twitch, so in theory it should be better. Oh yeah, I think it is better because that was just 5 seconds. Cool. I think it is, yeah. I think that was what Packet sent. That was only like 5 seconds or something. Yeah. Oh, 11 seconds. Oh, okay. Well, maybe you'll. Let's see. Why would it be worse, even though I just stopped it? Maybe it's the plugin I added. Well, regardless, by next stream, I'll just uninstall this plugin. The multi-stream. Really? So you're saying some of your messages are deleted? Well, that's bizarre. They show on stream, but not in this chat log. You're saying they show on the stream screen, but not in the YouTube chat? Because that would be really bizarre. No, I think you're saying the opposite. You're saying it's showing in the YouTube chat, but not on the stream. That makes more sense. Really? Well, that's strange. That's definitely not me, because that would be YouTube. I don't control the YouTube chat. So that would probably be a bug with YouTube. Wait, it's delayed on the YouTube chat log? Well, that's interesting. That's on them then. Oh, that's good. That means maybe I could keep streaming on Twitch if it's their issue somehow. Interesting. So just to clarify, you guys are saying that it's not really the delay with the stream, it's the delay with the YouTube chat. Like when you send a message, it takes a while for it to show in the YouTube chat. And that's where the delay is coming from. Fantastic. Good job. It seems to be more than a delay. It shows up on the stream. Interesting packet. Yeah, it's definitely a YouTube thing then. That's the YouTube service. Because, you know, it's definitely not anything I'm doing. And I don't control the YouTube chat at all. Interesting. I'm not muted. That would be really annoying if I was muted the last 30 minutes. Cool. Thanks, Cliff. Cool. I'm updating this currently. And I'm going to add back the timer. I don't know how that was removed. We used to have a timer for like when the testing phase would be over. I think we'll add short selling. I think the way we're going to implement the dividends, like the easiest way, is just at the very end of the competition, we do a one pass through, and we see how many dividends they got, and then you can just add it to the performance. Oh, nice. You got torches. Does that mean you already got... How do you make torches? I don't remember. Do you get coal? Is that what you do? Yes. Dang. Can I not make armor from cobblestone? Yeah, you can try like anti-gravity. I'll just say it in the chat. Or Google's AI Studio. Those are pretty good. Some people like Lovable. I had never used those though, so I don't know. But it seems like Google's AI Studio is pretty good. Like as a beginner, kind of like how to get started. Yeah, I don't see why not. It's a lot of fun. You can build a lot of stuff. It's got a lot easier to learn, I think. A lot easier to learn a lot of things, actually, with these tools. Okay, I can use the book. Yeah, it is cool. It's kind of embarrassing how much I forgot about this game. I'm not even sure this was here when I was playing, like that it had a tool. Like a book. I feel like this song has been playing for a very long time. I'm going to change it. Yeah. Oh, Cherry, do you want to play the plugin we made yesterday? Let me go fly away so I don't break what we've made here. Let's see what other commands is like smash create or something. I have to create it first. Okay. Okay, there we go. And now I do smash. Cool. So now I do slash smash join. We can play. So these are like all your abilities. I gotta say the some of these are a little bit OP. Oh shit. So if you fall off, that's when you die, I guess. Just so you know. Yeah, interesting. There's definitely some things we can fix. I think the dash effect that you can like dash around forever. That's not very good. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you could always stay on easily. So I'll probably remove that. Like, you should be able to recover somewhat, and that's what the double jump is for. We shouldn't just be able to teleport. I think it's a pretty good position to be in because you're gonna have a little bit of time to see how the wind blows here. It's very. I feel like it's very uncertain exactly what the market will be demanding in the next 3 to 4 years. It's probably just you can see where I still think programmers will be in demand, but I'm not really sure 10, 20 years out. It's kind of hard to know what's going on here. Say be adaptable. Well, you know, again, a lot of these jobs too, a lot of the job wasn't programming. A lot of the job was just talking with people and being in meetings and deciding what we're going to do. So that's probably not going away anytime soon. That was probably, you know, let's say as you go up, even more of the job was not coding. It was like just like, at first it's probably 70%, and then it goes to 50, and then 30. Yeah. I think regardless, this knowledge will still be important. So, like, you can't just have a bunch of people not knowing what they're making. How would you fix the bugs? You're just gonna give it to the AI god. Eventually, that wouldn't work. Like, that would be a bug. It's very pesky. Like, for example, like when I'm working, right? Like, I can tell when it's doing stupid stuff because I have the foundation of the knowledge. So I can be like, cut it out. Without the foundation, you have no idea. Yeah. I think anything that's like interpersonal, where you're talking with other people, is a little more insulated. Anything where it's like important, like the human relationship part of it. Like you think of like let's think of some examples. Well, I think the jobs will change probably, right? But no one. That's why I say like the next 3 to 4 years will be interesting just to see how it's evolving. I think I'm definitely not like cynical about it though. You can try like, like AI Studio or something. I guess one's kind of hard. Interesting beetle. Yeah. Yes. Dude, I really want to be a fly on the wall in a lot of these places just to see what it's like right now. Like, imagining the non-technical managers merging in code. Interesting. I just know that some people are probably throwing a fit in the PR comments. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely not like against it. But I know some people would probably be upset. Because I've definitely been on teams where they're a little bit more ridiculous. But everything has to be just perfect. So do I trigger this? I think I want you to make it so I trigger it at the end. I don't want you to automatically trigger it. What's up with this world? So I got split. Okay, I'm gonna add the timer back. Oh, I know why the timer's gone. It's because it hit the 10-day mark or whatever. After this, March 7th. So it disappeared. Oh, I see. A user? Nope. They just give you a no. The normal stuff. Hey, how's it going, Danny? Pretty good. I'm working on it right now. Basically, I'm wondering where we're at in the actual implementation, because it seems like there's an incomplete part here. Very cool. So I think this was changed. Nice. I like it for general coding stuff. I like just talking with Opus. It's pretty good. Yeah, I like GPT for me, Eki. That auto reply is a little outdated. Hey Shri, how's it going? Nice. Cool. I'm not good at that stuff. Cool. So this was changed to May. All right, nice. I think it's good to go. Let's run some tests. Actually, let's just run the stress test. Yeah, similar maps. I think that should work. Cool, I'm gonna boot up the scheme. Hey, sure, Danny. Feel free to send like an image or something. I haven't played this in a while. It's been at least a few days. Oh, shit. Oh. shit. Nice. Close one. GG. Ace hour. Wait, it does? Oh shit. Interesting. Hey, Sarah, pretty good. Hey, Danny, I can't see the link because but feel free to join the Discord. You could post like an image or something. YouTube doesn't allow links. On the YouTube. Why can't we subscribe? But it's like a queue. So like we see, oh, okay, there's 60 coming in. We subscribe, get the price, evict it, subscribe to the new ones. You know what I mean? Actually, never mind. I think the way this should work is like if it's filled. No, I don't like that either. Hey Danny, so it's like a GitHub repo. Feel free to share it in the Discord. Yeah, I am, you know. Why not, Danny? Gotcha. Oh, gotcha. Trade. Yeah, thanks, Juno. Anyways, I think I'm gonna head out. I will be streaming again tonight, I believe. But I'll let you guys know on the Discord. But thanks for joining. I'm gonna go get some rest. See you guys later. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day or night.